Create a 3 minutes video for YouTube about easy corn piece pad thai for two. This recipe is a quick and simple way to enjoy a delicious pad thai, adapted to be vegetarian-friendly using corn pieces. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner and comes together in about 30 minutes. Yields: 2 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 20 minutes. Ingredients: 200 g, 7 ounces. Rice stick noodles, 1 tbsp vegetable oil. 150 g, 5.3 ounces. Corn pieces, 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced 1 carrot. Julienned or thinly sliced 1 large handful of bean sprouts. 2 spring onions, chopped, reserve some for garnish. 2 cloves garlic. Minced 2 tbsp roasted peanuts, chopped, plus extra for garnish. 1 lime, cut into wedges, plus extra for serving. Fresh cilantro or coriander for garnish. For the pad thai sauce, 3 tbsp tamarind paste or 2 tbsp rice vinegar mixed with 1 tbsp brown sugar. 3 tbsp soy sauce, or tamari for gluten-free. 2 tbsp brown sugar or palm sugar. 1 tbsp sriracha or other chili sauce. Adjust to your spice preference. Instructions: prepare the noodles. Cook the rice noodles according to the package instructions. They usually only need to be soaked in hot water for a few minutes. Drain them well and set aside. Make the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together the tamarind paste, soy sauce, brown sugar, and sriracha. Set aside. Cook the corn. Heat the vegetable oil in a large wok or frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the corn pieces and cook for 5-7 minutes, stirring frequently until they are golden brown and cooked through. Sauté the vegetables. Add the minced garlic, sliced red pepper, and julienned carrot to the wok. Cook for 3-4 minutes until the vegetables start to soften but still have a slight crunch. Combine and toss. Add the cooked rice noodles and the pad thai sauce to the wok. Using tongs or 2 spatulas, toss everything together to ensure the noodles are evenly coated in the sauce. Cook for 2-3 minutes until the noodles are hot and the sauce has thickened slightly. Add the final ingredients. Stir in the bean sprouts, chopped spring onions, and half of the chopped peanuts. Cook for another minute, just until the bean sprouts are slightly wilted. Serve. Divide the pad thai between 2 plates. Garnish with the remaining peanuts, fresh cilantro, a sprinkle of the reserved spring onions, and a wedge of lime. Serve immediately. Tips for a successful pad thai: don't overcook the noodles. The key to good pad thai is to use noodles that are still slightly al dente. They will continue to cook when you add them to the hot wok. Prepare everything ahead. Pad thai cooks very quickly, so having all your ingredients chopped and ready to go will make the process much smoother. Adjust the spice. If you prefer a spicier pad thai, add more sriracha or a pinch of chili flakes to the sauce. For a milder version, omit the sriracha. Customize your vegetables. Feel free to add other quick-cooking vegetables like broccoli florets, baby corn, or spinach. Storage. This dish is best eaten fresh. If you have leftovers, they can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days, but the noodles may become a bit sticky.